You're welcome to my channel. Now, these are the materials to make straw fascinator. This is feather, red feather. You have your scissors. Also, this is a fabric flower we're going to use to decorate this fascinator. This is Alice band. And then we have the ribbon, the red ribbon, small red ribbon. And then this is the straw. So this is gum, gum. These are the materials we are going to use. Now we begin to fold. The straw is 3 yards, 3 yards of straw. Then you will begin to fold it. Keep folding it into a kind of bowl. Keep folding it. You continue to fold it until you exhaust the straw. Keep folding it and use your hand to keep arranging it to make sure it's looking fine. Make sure you're exhausting the straw, and then the next thing is begin to tie it. You are going to now use a ribbon to tie it together, to hold it together. Make sure it's firm. Make sure it's firm. So you knot it. Next thing you do is you use the feather. Insert the feather inside that ribbon. Inside the ribbon and pull it out the other side. Now keep pulling until it's well arranged. So it's now sitting the way I want it. You also use the same ribbon and tie it round that straw. Tie it firmly round the straw and knot. The next thing you do is you get the Alice band. Remember that is most of fascinators are on one side. So the curved side, depending on the side you want to wear the fascinator, whether you're going to pull it on your right or your left, and most of the time it's on the right side, but depending on what you want, then that will determine the side of the Alice band you're going to tie the straw. When you have determined the side, you now tie it firmly and then knot it. So the next thing you are going to do is this is the cutout that you're going to use to cover the back of the Alice band. But now we're going to use gum now to glue the fabric flower, a black fabric flower, on top of that straw. So when you apply that gum, then you glue it, then hold it a little, and then when you are sure it's firm, it's not going to fall off. Then the next one is that little cutout. We're going to apply gum and then use it to cover the ribbon. behind that Alice band, so it will look neat. So that's it. Our straw fascinator is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.